Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk, the podcast where we discuss the big ideas that shape our world. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're talking about something really interesting, the American dream. Mike, when you hear American dream, what comes to your mind?
That's a good question. I think about success, money, a big house with a white fence.
Yes, that's what most people think. But the American dream is actually much more than that. It's a really old idea, you know.
How old are we talking?
Well, the phrase American dream became popular in 1931. A writer named James Truslow Adams used it in a book. But the idea? It's been around since America was born.
So what exactly is the American dream?
Great question. Simply put, it's the belief that anyone, and I mean anyone, can be successful in America if they work hard. It doesn't matter where you come from, who your parents are, or how much money you have at the start.
So it's about equal opportunity?
Exactly. You got it. It's the idea that in America your future is not decided by your past. You can change your life.
That's pretty powerful. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Think about immigrants who came to America with nothing, maybe just one suitcase. They worked hard, started small businesses, sent their kids to college, and their children became doctors, teachers, engineers. That's the American dream in action.
I see. But Sarah, is this dream still real today? I mean, is it still possible?
That's the big question, Mike. And honestly, people disagree. Some say yes, absolutely. Others say it's becoming harder.
Why is it becoming harder?
Well, there are a few reasons. First, education is very expensive now. College can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Second, houses are more expensive than before. And third, the gap between rich and poor people is growing.
So money is the main problem?
Money is part of it, yes. But it's not everything. Some people still achieve amazing things. They start with nothing and build successful lives.
Can you tell us someone like that?
Sure. Take Zoran Mamdani, for example. He was born in Uganda, and his family moved to the United States when he was 7 years old. He studied hard, became a successful politician, and was just elected as the first immigrant Muslim mayor of New York City.
Wow, that's inspiring. But that's just one person, right? What about regular people?
That's a fair point. Not everyone becomes a billionaire, and they don't need to. The American dream isn't just about being super rich. It's also about having a comfortable life, owning a home, giving your kids a better future than you had.
So it's different for different people.
Exactly. For some people, the American dream is starting their own business. For others, it's buying their first house. For immigrants, it might be learning English and getting a good job. Everyone has their own dream.
What do you think, Sarah? Do you believe in the American dream?
I do, but with a realistic view. I think hard work matters, education matters, but I also know that luck and timing play a role too. Not everyone has the same starting point, and that's important to remember.
So it's complicated?
Yes, like most things in life, the American dream is still alive, but we need to work to keep it alive. We need good schools, fair wages, and real opportunities for everyone.
That's a great point to end on. So listeners, what do you think? Is the American dream still real? Let us know in the comments.
And remember, whatever your dream is, big or small, you have to work for it. Nothing is guaranteed, but nothing is impossible either.
Well said, Sarah. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. This has been Real Talk.
Remember, When you have a inner strength and you believe in yourself, you can get all you want. Don't think too much, just start right now. See you next time.